stickers that we made for my dad. And these are the Mercedessource Kent Bergsma Edition stickers, and they are meant to be put on my dad's cars. And so we're going to put the first one here on Cherry. These are aluminum backing, so you want to make sure. I'm using a glove right now so it doesn't stick to my finger as much. Usually though, you probably want to go ahead and treat it like a band-aid where you roll and peel past the edge and then pick it back that way. But I'm left-handed and I did it backwards, so I gotta go ahead and take it off and put it on in full. So we'll start with, find our spacing, and we're gonna start with one side first. Roll it on. And then right across. So there you go. May not be laser level straight, but it looks really good. So right now we have the larger sizes available in both colors, black and red. We have some smaller size ones in red. We are going to get some more made of those in black. So there will be two size options for anyone that wants to get a Kent Bergsma Edition Mercedessource sticker.